All right, team. Listen, you're not just here to pour drinks. You're the face of the bar. Your attitude, effort, and how you treat people, that's what brings them back and makes them tip you way better than that sad little 10 to 15% average. Let's talk about how to turn first-time customers into regulars who know your schedule better than your mom. Step 1, be polite. Greet everyone. Thank everyone. Use sir or ma'am. Unless they look offended, then just smile and move on. Make eye contact. Use names for your regulars. And yes, ladies first. It's old school, but it works. You'd be surprised how far a simple smile and good manners will take you. Step 2, be sociable. You don't have to be the life of the party, but at least be part of the conversation. Talk to your customers. Polite conversation keeps them drinking and keeps them tipping. Know what's happening in the world. Local news, sports, whatever's trending. Avoid the awkward silence. Small talk is your friend. Step 3, appearance. Your uniform should look clean, not like you just crawled out of a dive bar yourself. Hair, clean and combed. And please, no brushing your hair behind the bar. Hands and nails should be clean. Makeup, jewelry, and cologne, keep it tasteful and minimal. Bottom line, look like someone people trust to serve them food and drinks, not like someone who just lost a bet. Step 4, be efficient. Your customers shouldn't have to flag you down like they're hailing a taxi in the rain. Anticipate your guest needs. If someone's drink is running low, ask if they want another. And try to remember what your regulars drink. Nothing makes someone feel special like having their drink waiting before they ask. Step 5, acknowledge the guest. Your customer is always first. Period. Ignore the TV, ignore restocking bottles, ignore whatever nonsense is happening behind the bar. If you're busy, at least make eye contact. Say, I'll be right with you, and drop a coaster or napkin in front of them. That tiny move tells them they're seen and stops them from storming out and leaving you a big fat zero tip. Step 6, avoid sensitive issues. Religion, politics, major social debates. Leave them out of the bar talk. Your job is to keep the vibe light, not to start a debate club. Stay neutral, smile, and pour. Trust me, arguing with a customer about politics is the fastest way to kiss that tip goodbye. And finally, step 7, keep the bar clean. Nobody wants to sit at a sticky bar. As soon as someone leaves, clear the glassware, wipe the counter, and make it look like no one was ever there. A clean bar makes you look professional and makes customers want to stick around longer. And there you go. 7 simple steps to keep customers happy, coming back, and tipping like champions. Remember, great drinks bring them in once. Great service brings them back forever. Now get out there, smile, and make that money.